right, we're doing a camping speed challenge, baby. Leaving the neighborhood now. It's 4:30. I'm gonna drive to my parents 10 minutes away. We're gonna see if we can set up camp, cook some mac and cheese, and we're gonna see what we can do, guys. All right, we've got like, I don't know, 40 minutes till it's dark out. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get everything set up.
City boy, city boy, city boy, city boy. Now why are you doing that? City boy, city boy, city boy. And now that city boy.
That one's good. Are you being weird? Yeah.
I almost threw up.
What? Why? Oh, you got a branch. What's that?
Look, no, no.
What is it, Greg? Tent is set up. Ooh la la. Now it's time to get all the gear into the tent.
You always go barefoot. Dad, can we put our shoes on?
Oh geez. Yeah, where are your shoes? Let's keep your shoes on when it's 45 degrees out. That's a good idea. Your feet will get cold, right? Are they cold right now? Can you put sticks in there for me?
Dad, look. Good. Whoa! I blow it, Cece. Cece, I only blow it.
All right, I'll get more.
That was in there.
I'll show you. Can you hold? This is dryer lint, everybody. Karen information tidbit of the day. Dryer lint is a great spark catcher.
Daddy, careful.
Here we go, guys.
Me. Me.
This is a wax covered piece of cardboard.
That will make one wood.
Put another one on.
That I want to try that. Me.
You want to put that one on?
That this also works for Tom.
We did it, chat. Shout out Unky Peters, Chris Kringle for getting the fire going first try. It works. Wax and cardboard, great fire starter. Leave a comment down below. Do you think Uncle Mark's showing up?
Why are you putting a pine cone in? Dude, that is way too close, bud. Dude, don't get too close. Yeah.
And I'll take this. Nice. All right, Judah. Do more gentle. Maybe a little more gentle would be good. 20 sticks, all right? They're the best. It'll keep it low. Nice, Greg.
That's how big mine is.
Nice, Greggy.
Greg, someone put pine needles.
We're gonna make our mac and cheese next. You guys want mac and cheese? How's that sound?
Two in the car. Run. Me?
You're right.
I don't.
This is gonna go. I might get a spark in there. There it is.
Now, why are you putting that around it?
It protects it from the wind.
My has wings.
Oh, is it getting in your eyes? Oh, what's the matter? Do you want to be out by the fire? Okay, put your boots on. Boot on. The great outdoors.
Dad, what you were crying about?
This has been a good start to a good trip so far. It hasn't been chaotic at all. For those
There was.
who don't know me, my wife just had a baby like 3 weeks ago, and I thought, you know, the kids have been saying we should go camping, and I didn't really have time to go camping all the way out at a campsite. And so I thought, man, wouldn't it be a good idea if we went camping in Grammy's backyard? And so that's what we're trying. But I didn't get started until like 4:30. I got off work and I decided, let's just try it out, see what happens. It's been a little chaotic to say the least. Thanks for tuning in. I'll bring you out. I'm gonna bring them out. I'm gonna bring the viewers out. Ready? You have anything to say?
Oh, hi.
That's Greg. That's our roaring fire. Take that off.
Huh? That were to read.
And we're camping on a Tuesday in January in Grammy's backyard, 3 weeks after we just had baby number 4.
I miss Finn.
You miss Finn? That's sweet.
No, not.
I wonder what temperature it is right now.
45 degrees, I think.
Well, it was 45 degrees when we left. 40 degrees last time I checked. Last bite. This is pretty crazy. One final update. This is my dinner. There's deer jerky, venison. It's still 40 degrees out. Now we'll see you guys in the morning. City boy? City boy? Uncle Elijah says that, doesn't he? What does he say? What?
And then soon can I have the flashlight because I lost my little pup.
Judy, can you share one flashlight with Cece? I think we're gonna call it there, and I'll see you guys in the morning.
We did it.
That's right. We slept in the tent. How'd you sleep?
Good.
Good. I would say that was successful. Nobody died. I left some things out. All right, now we're gonna do the hardest thing. We're gonna get some breakfast. We're gonna make some camp breakfast. We're gonna forage in the woods for some tubers and make some breakfast.
Wow, what a trip. It was chaotic from the moment we got here until about 9 o'clock. Daylight is your friend. Ideally, I'd like to be out, you know, camping somewhere else, more out in nature, but sometimes, you know, life circumstances require you just to do something a little bit different, but you can still have fun. I know the kids had a good time, and that's kind of why I did it. Yeah, I hope this was entertaining. To my 41 subscribers, thank you. You guys are my bread and butter. You guys are my inspiration. I've got a couple things planned. Maybe filming a hunt, we'll see. definitely do a canoe trip this summer. And before that, I'm trying to do a overnight backpacking winter camp out, hopefully after a snow with my brother. So hit that bell maybe. Get out there, camp, adventure, have a good time.